So right now I'm going to go over a few basic theorems about circles. So in order to know these theorems, we need to know a few things about angles inside of circles. So the first kind of angle I'm going to talk about, ooh, that is a horrible circle, is called central angles. So this happens when a line passing through the center of a circle intersects another line passing through the center of a circle. So that can form an angle like this, and these can be formed out of A, C, B. These can be formed out of diameters and radiuses mostly. Pretty simple concept. So the next one is called an inscribed angle, which happens when a secant or a chord, two different kinds of lines, pass through a circle, and they intersect at the edge of the circle to form an angle. So we have A, B, C, and then that's our angle. Again, a pretty simple concept. So one other thing is that when you have a circle, all of its interior and exterior angles, so the central angles as well as the entire outside of the circle, will add to 360 degrees. So, for example, if we have a circle like this that has two diameters going through the center, let me just clean this up a bit. That's not cleaning it up. Well, let me redraw this real quick. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's call this 120 degrees and call this 120 degrees. Then automatically this would have to be 60 degrees and 60 degrees because all of these have to add up to 360 degrees. Now, similarly, if we have four arcs around this circle, and this is where we come to our first theorem. Because all the angles have to add to 360 degrees, if this is 120 degrees, then this is 120 degrees, and so on and so forth. Now, here's the thing, is that this first angle, the central angle theorem, says that the measurement of the central angle always corresponds to the measurement of the arc that is between the angle's two outer vertices, which basically means that this central angle is going to have the same measurement as this arc, and so on and so forth with all of these, because that's the way this theorem works. And it's pretty simple, but a cool thing to know. Okay. So then we'll move on to our next angle theorem. We'll call it the inscribed angle theorem, and that has similar. That is pretty similar. So basically, if you have a two chords, it can be a secant and a chord or two secants, but and you have 3 points. And then you have a central angle passing through the center of your circle. So let's say it ends there and goes there, and you have this little Pac-Man sort of thing. You'll have two angles. Now, if we say that this arc here is 120 degrees based on the central angle theorem, we can also say that this is 120 degrees because it's the same distance. We want to figure out what x is. So it's really simple to do this. All you have to do is divide the arc right here by 2. So x is automatically, can we see that? No. Oh, oops. X equals 60 degrees. It's really easy because all that the inscribed angle theorem states is the measurement of the inscribed angle is half the measurement of the arc. So this arc equals 120 degrees, therefore the inscribed angle is 60 degrees. And that's all for today. So, see you later.